Step into your private oasis, a 4-story condo complete with an elevator for ultimate convenience. This exclusive residence is designed with effortless living in mind. From the moment you enter the bright and airy living room, you'll be captivated by the stunning water views. It's the perfect space to relax, entertain guests, or simply soak in the coastal beauty. Unwind in your spacious primary suite, where sliding glass doors lead to your own private balcony. The ensuite bathroom is your personal spa retreat, complete with dual sinks, a soaker tub, and a large walk-in shower. Your guests will feel right at home with a beautifully appointed guest bedroom. The top floor offers endless possibilities. Create the ultimate in-law suite, a private retreat, or a guest haven. Step outside and discover your private dock and boat lift, offering direct access to the Gulf of Mexico via the Mayaca River. Your dream waterfront lifestyle is waiting for you here at 4410 Warren Avenue, Unit 503. Schedule your private showing today and make this piece of paradise your own.